Welcome! Hello guys! Magbibideo daw kami. Kasi wala daw kaming video. Kahit kapupos lang, live niya lang, wala pa rin video. Ito daw yung special na video na ng aming one year anniversary of love. Ito yung very supportive na daddy. Thank you for everything. To myself. What? Ano ba yung sabi ko? Na ginagawa mo ang lahat para maging masaya ko. Kahit na alam mo na yun. Nagdadrama lang kami dalawa guys. Pero that truth, she do everything for me. She make me always be happy life. Ito yung dati na supportive. Ginagawa niya mom and dad. Thank you so much, my love.